I always knew things were about race, but I think it was an intellectual knowledge. And I think when I was on the bus and going to Kentucky, that made it a lived experience. I love to read, I listen to podcasts, I watch movies. So there's all that. That's relearning history, the truth
Mhm.
of history. But when you're in a situation, then you go, okay, now my eyes are being open to what the world
Mhm.
is really like. When you
Mhm.
start to look at it from a big world perspective, then I started to understand how the system is designed to keep us from having those experiences. Instead, the white supremacist system has set things up to keep us apart. So that can't happen. You know what I mean? We can't learn, oh, this is how you're being treated. It's like this is the white culture thing where nobody talks about how much money we make.
Yeah.
Another version of the same thing. Because what would happen if we were all open about it? I
Mhm.
find out that my coworker, white male coworker, is making, and we have the same, and that's another way I'm just realizing like how white culture, the white system goes, white capitalist system. No, we're not going to let you be in settings. We're going to make sure that's perceived as private. That's why the whole
Mhm.
word transparency was probably invented. We wouldn't need it if we were built on a system where we're all open and cared about each other. I'm thinking about the erosion that happens among white liberals because most of my friends, a lot of my friends, would call themselves anti-racist white liberals. I call myself that too, but I don't claim it. I think of myself as trying to be anti-racist. But I was thinking about what James Baldwin said about liberals being, I'll rephrase it to say, white liberals the most poisonous. Because I think of
Mm.
how many times I would be telling my friend, and this is me as another white person, about a story. This happened, or so and so told me this happened. And I know you experience it. It's that phrase. Are you sure?
Are
Are
you
you
sure?
sure they meant this? Are you sure? And so I think about the erosion that creates, and that it's like me as a white person we don't trust your perspective when all we ever experience is our perspective of being in a world that was designed for us. And
Mhm.
we unless we have a wake up call or I decide to take responsibility for seeing things in a new light, there's that constant questioning of your lived experience. It's not
Mhm.
have different lived experience. It's like questioning. And then we talked about this a little bit before too. When I question it as a white person and how they're perceiving it or anything, I'm viewed as being dramatic or there goes Sharman again. So the whole culture is designed to silence people who go, I call it, I'm always saying, I think the emperor has no clothes on.
Mhm.
Or I'll
Mhm.
be going, oh no, there you go again, Sharman. That emperor is well dressed. Only it's so much worse. They're writing books about real lived experiences. And in some classrooms, I'm sure these books could be a source of dialogue. Like white people in control are saying, oh, Johnny White is uncomfortable. We don't want him to understand that he's privileged, that he doesn't get treated like that, or we don't want to accept it. We like this. So I think we should ban the books. So now we've
Mhm.
crossed a line from, I hate these words because they have different meanings, but to me, segregation means really obviously trying to keep us apart. And integration means we've gotten rid of some of the most visible things. It doesn't really mean it. But anyway, we've made some steps. So now we got to go further because this isn't enough. Look at what happened. We got a black president. Uh-oh. And again, I'm mocking it, but it's a real, I don't have to say anything more about it to know how we're on the verge of some really tragic things for everyone, not just for Black and brown people.
Mhm.
The more that I, as a white person, understand how, let's just talk about our country, how it's set up, the
Yeah,
harder
yeah.
it is to just go along with the way that it is. The
Mhm.
more it brings up rage and disbelief and really realizing how controlled I am and we are by the white supremacist capitalist system.